Do you know ChatGPT has recently launched its paid version, which is ChatGPT 4.0. But what is the use of it? What is the main things? It has a better version, like it has more features, okay, and it has how to upload files, but that's mainly it. And I'm not talking about the code interpreters and all, but I'm just talking about the basic functions that everybody can use for ChatGPT Plus. But the thing is, nobody needs that really, and some people need it, and for that we have a board. So let me introduce you Bard. So this is an AI chatbot that is just like ChatGPT, but the thing is, it is better. Like is way better. It has connection to internet and it has your connection and everything from your IP address to everything, so that it can actually customize your data according to where you are. So let's say. So this is mainly ChatGPT, but let's ask how are you better than ChatGPT? So I'm trained on a larger code, which means I have a better understanding. I have access to real data. Yeah, that's right. That's 100% right. So if you can see here, there is an option to go to new chat. So if we click that and then we go here, we can say, what's today's news? And if comparison to it, ChatGPT is slower than Bard. Like as we can see, what's today's news? So as you can see, it will actually type here, but here in just 2 seconds or 3 seconds, it just gives it. So it is not that tempting, but it is actually more useful. So if you go here and then you can just use dark theme, and then you can just go like this, and this is way greater. And this is wow, like actually it is actually, you can actually see it for your own thing. Like in Chandigarh, India, this is the real thing, but let's just go here, okay? So it has access to real-time internet, and it is better at generating different creative text format. Yeah, as you can see. So large language model ChatGPT is on GPT-4, but Bard is Lambda A, which is way better than ChatGPT. Data size is GPT is 500 billion, but Bard is 1.56 trillion parameters. That's a huge, like it's like 3 times the ChatGPT thing. And real-time access to internet, no, but yes. And it has creative text format. It is limited, but it is extensive. And user friendliness, I don't know what this text mean, and I'm not going to search it from Google because I don't want to see it, okay? And then you can just regenerate this draft. And as you might have known, this is actually, Bard is actually from Google, and sometimes it has this errors, but you can just go to here and then listen the text. It gives this error like I can't help you with it, but sometimes it doesn't. This is not a bad thing because you can actually search it exactly. So you can see I said that, and then I have access to Google search, and I'm blah 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 blah, and it actually regenerated its draft. So what's today's news? Views other draft. So here are some other draft as well. Like it created many things, like 3 other draft before delivering the first one, and then here, and then you can click here to regenerate the task, and then you can just listen to it, but I'm not going to listen it right now. You can actually click here, and then you can search the Bard activity. It's not my activity, it is Bard activity, and prompt how blah 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 blah. Yeah, I have done a lot of things, but yeah, Bard was not this good before, but now it is better, right? Yeah, in few recent days it has a new update, so you might have already heard of Bard, but this is a Bard update, and it is way better than normal Bard, and it is actually better than ChatGPT Plus, and it's 100% free, and it doesn't have any paid versions, so it's at the max. Now you can actually upload files. This was the main update, and then let me select my dad. Yeah, this is my dad. Yeah, so is this image, right? Let's say, what is this image? This is my dad. Okay, what is about that? What is this image? So it takes 3-4 minutes because it is actually creating draft. Sorry, 3-4 seconds because it's creating many drafts. Okay, so yeah, this is an issue with the Bard because it can't actually recognize people yet. So yeah, this is a strike that is wrong with it, and it is perfectly fine because it wants to know images. But okay, so this is a signature of one of my teachers, and say, what is this? So let's see if it can actually search and understand signatures. If you can't see, let me show you. This is actually a signature of one of my ustads, and you can just go here and then like this. Is a piece of Arabic calligraphy on a black background. Black background, actually it is transparent. That's why it is saying black background. It is not black background. Okay, the calligraphy is glowing. Actually, its background was removed. That's why it looks glowy. It actually means Allah. Yeah, this means Allah. Okay, and yeah, that was it. So this is way best, right? It is way better, and you can click here as well. You can just share and export. So you can export to docs or draft in Gmail, which is a great functionalities, and you can actually make it smaller, longer, simplified, more casual, and more professional. So let's say shorter. Okay, let's see if it can make it shorter. We will have to give it some more time. And let's see, blah blah blah. What is this again? Here is a shorter blah blah. Yeah, it is very small, right? And then you can just modify it to make it more longer, but I'm not going to see it because you also have to see it yourself. I will give the board link in the description below, and then you can just export to docs and then creating a document. Let's see where it goes. I don't know. Okay, open docs. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is my question. What is this? Sure, he's in. Yeah, it just gave it here, exactly like I want it to be. And my mission here is complete, and see you on the next video. Till then, bye.